अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग वेल एंड आप लोग भी उतने ही एक्साइटेड हैं अबाउट द अपकमिंग एकेडमिक ईयर एज वी आर. We are restarting our monthly community updates just to keep everyone in the loop. The school is going to open on the 12th of August for everyone. Over the summer, हम सब बहुत busy रहे हैं to set up the elementary years at the I8 branch, and we were also improving a lot of facilities at both campuses. We have been helping all of our new team members to learn more about our teaching practices and the school culture. और सब team members ने एक training भी attend की है which was led by Ma'am Samreen on creating a culture of thinking at the school based on the work of Ron Richard. Additionally, हमने एक initiative launch किया था called the Play Street during summer, which was quite successful, and now we're going to have it across the year, and I'm going to share more details about it in just a bit. Here are some important points for all the new parents to know. सबसे पहले let's talk about our Edopian values. हमारी सिर्फ दो ही key values हैं. Number 1, we take care of each other, and number 2, we strive to become a better version of ourselves every day. So please encourage your children to stand up for their peers, make friends, and include others who might be struggling in any way. Secondly, it is very important to teach them to ask for help whenever they need it. And this is going to be extremely crucial for their success at Edopia. And I would ask you to do the same for yourself as well, so that all of us are able to remain on the same page all the time. Next, I want to emphasize the importance of the parent handbook. ये एक बहुत important और essential document है which contains all the policies at the school. Please take time to review it. We update it every year, and every single process at the school has been highlighted in that handbook. From the policy on birthdays, timings, uniform, important deadlines, लाना क्या है स्कूल में, conflicts कैसे handle होंगे, पढ़ना कितना है, क्या assignments हैं, everything that we can possibly think of that is going to be at the school वो सब कुछ handbook में address हुआ है. For official correspondence, please use the help desk on Schoology for all communication. Direct messages to teachers are not answered. So when you send a message on the help desk, all the relevant parties, they are updated about it, and I am also monitoring it regularly. Also, check Schoology regularly for important announcements. This is the only medium for sending announcements. Only emergency updates will be sent via text messages. So if you have a concern, you will only be able to get it addressed if it comes through the help desk on Schoology. हम स्कूल के अंदर WhatsApp, personal numbers, emails और hallway correspondence को wait नहीं देते हैं regarding important issues. Our first orientation is going to be held in the school on the 24th of August, and the second one will be held on the 21st of September for those who missed the first session. ये ओरिएंटेशंस आपको इस स्कूल के बारे में, इसकी वर्किंग के बारे में अंडरस्टैंड करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेंगी. सो ट्राई टू मेक श्योर दैट यू अटेंड दोज. हम आपके साथ मिलना चाहते हैं. वी रियली वैल्यू मीटिंग यू. सो विल बी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट कम्युनिटी मिक्सेस एंड वर्कशॉप्स फॉर पेरेंट्स. अ डिटेल्ड कैलेंडर विल बी शेयर्ड विद यू सून. ऑल्सो कंसिडर ज्वाइनिंग द प्ले स्ट्रीट, जिसके बारे में मैंने स्टार्ट में बात किया है. वी आर गोइंग टू हैव इट एट द बनीकाला कैंपस. And if you live close by, or if commute is not an issue for you, I would highly recommend this. They are going to be held 3 days a week from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. and it is a great opportunity for children to play and for you to connect with other parents old school style. याद रखें कि हम सब एक community है और हमारी पूरी कोशिश है कि हम आपके साथ एक strong relationship build करें. हमारा गोल यही है कि जो टाइम आपके बच्चे हमारे साथ स्पेंड करें, वी ऑप्टिमाइज इट एंड वी स्ट्राइव फॉर एक्सेलेंस. और अलॉन्ग द वे जो हमसे गलती होती है, जहाँ पे भी हम आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे पूरे नहीं उतर पाते, हम अपनी मिस्टेक्स को एक्नॉलेज करें और उनसे सीखें. वी आर नॉट अ परफेक्ट सिस्टम, वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग. And in this process, we ask for your grace and respectful communication as we try to work together to improve every day of our children's life. We're looking forward to a very great year ahead with all of you. May Allah Ta'ala keep all of our children safe.